Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to do your homework. So please first go to your online classroom. Log in, CLB2 afternoon English class. Okay, scroll down and click on teacher messages. Scroll down. What day is today? Today is Tuesday, February 23rd. Click here. Scroll down. Okay, so we don't have a Zoom class today. And this is the answer to your homework from yesterday. So this is yesterday's homework. Please open them and check your homework from yesterday. Then scroll down. Here you see today's homework, number 1, 2, and 3. First, watch this video, how to do your homework for today. Then click on number 1, vocabulary, illness, and injury. Click here. Okay, so first practice pains vocabulary. So click here. You can maximize your window. Okay, so you click here and you study. Backache. So listen and repeat. Cough. Listen and repeat. When you finish, click on Matchup 1. Cold. You have to drag and drop. When you finished, check your answers. Go back. Matchup number 2. Earache. Drag and drop. Finish this. Check your answers. Go back. Matchup number 3. Headache. So you drag and drop. Check your answers. Go back and fill in. So what's this? You have to type backache. What's this? Cough. Check your answers. Go back and dictation. Listen and type backache. Listen and type. Finish this. Check your answers and go back. So this is finished now. Close this window. Go back and scroll down. Okay, now you have to watch this video. So click here. You can make it bigger. So you listen. You listen and you repeat. A runny nose. What's wrong with her? She has a runny nose. So watch this video and then scroll down and you see all the illnesses and symptoms here. What's wrong? I have a cough. What's wrong? I have a runny nose. What's wrong? I have a sore throat. So practice this at home. You can copy in your notebooks, practice spelling cough, C-O-U-G-F. And then when you finished, go back. Okay, now open number 2. All right, now number 2, you have to write, choose the verb has or have. So for example, we have a new doctor, but my husband My husband has a new job. My husband or he. He has a new job. So choose has or have and complete the sentences. Okay. And finally, number 3. So number 3, first, there's a reading and listening. Amir gets sick. Click here. Okay. This is a book. So you click here and you listen. You go to next page. This is Amir. So you listen, you read, you repeat, and go to the next page. Next, 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 next. You go to the final page, go to the next page, and now it's finished. Then you go back, click on B, Amir is sick, scroll down, you can read again, and now you have type your answers. This is Amir. Amir is sick on Monday. So type. Answer all of them and then check. Okay, then you can check your answers. And now you're finished with your homework for today. Please finish your homework before your class tomorrow, so you can work on your homework tonight and tomorrow morning. Happy studying, everyone.